This perfect 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath townhome is centrally located and the owner has just made it completely move-in ready. Just for you. Improvements include all electrical updated, all new switches, outlets, GFCI outlets installed in kitchen, bathrooms and laundry room. New LED lighting installed in 2 bedrooms and dining room. Living room ceiling fan with light, dimmer and speed control remote. Primary bedroom ceiling light fan with speed/dimmer remote. Freshly painted interior from top to bottom. New carpet upstairs, 3 bedrooms, hall and steps. New porcelain tile in laundry room installed. New vinyl waterproof planking installed throughout main level and powder room, dining, kitchen and living room. New locking nickel finished lever door handles throughout. Upstairs bathroom updated. New tub and shower surround with new shower and tub fixtures. New mirror, lighting fixture, all new hardware, toilet, new door, with porcelain tile installed. Kitchen cabinets freshly painted and hardware updated. New Whirlpool 30 oven and new oven exhaust hood. New garbage disposal. Exterior home and gutters pressure washed and cleaned. Freshly landscaped, front and back. New platform deck and freshly stained. All windows.